Today, we're breaking down eToro versus Robinhood, and specifically how these trading apps compare when it comes to cryptocurrency. Hi everyone, I'm Laura Adams from Finder.com. I'll compare Robinhood and eToro on fees, app features, and customer reviews. Let's get into it. Neither app charges deposit fees, but the similarities end there. Robinhood has better pricing hands down. eToro charges a small basket of fees, including a $5 fee for every withdrawal and a $10 per month inactivity fee if you don't lock in for 12 months. Plus, eToro charges a spread of up to 5% on crypto transactions, meaning you're potentially buying 5% less crypto for the same amount of dollars. So overall, Robinhood wins when it comes to fees. Now let's talk about app features. Both have similar crypto-specific features, except for one thing: copy trading. eToro allows you to copy other traders for crypto and stock portfolios. Also be aware that neither app offers leverage trading for crypto. And both are custodial crypto services, meaning you never have access to your keys. In other words, you don't technically own your crypto when you buy it through eToro or Robinhood. However, Robinhood says they're working on providing that feature for supported cryptocurrencies. Overall, both apps are pretty streamlined, but if I had to pick one, I'd go with Robinhood because the navigation located at the bottom of the screen is easier to use. eToro's hamburger menu is at the top left, making navigation a bit tricky with one hand. Sure, eToro's copy trading feature is powerful, but managing it through the app isn't as easy as it is online. So Robinhood wins when it comes to app features. Also, let's talk about customer reviews. Both apps are about equal in the Google Play and Apple App Stores. Between both stores, eToro pulls slightly ahead with an average of about 4.2 out of 5 stars and nearly 100,000 ratings. Robinhood has an average of about 4.1 out of 5 stars and more than 4 million votes. Looking elsewhere, customers seem to favor eToro, particularly on Trustpilot, where eToro has a 2.8 rating and Robinhood has a 1.1 rating. Given Robinhood's recent Wall Street Bets subreddit drama, I'd take these negative ratings with a grain of salt. To sum up, the main differences between these two apps is that Robinhood is basically free, and eToro offers copycat social-style trading. So if you want a clean trading interface with minimal cost, go with Robinhood. But if you want a social trading experience and don't mind paying a small premium for it, go with eToro. Be sure to like this video and subscribe so you'll get the latest videos that drop from Finder.com. Thanks for watching.